Comedian Samir Raina finds himself in deeper legal trouble as the Supreme Court today expressed strong concern over jokes he made allegedly targeting blind individuals and a 2-month-old infant suffering from SMA or spinal muscular atrophy. The court, which is already hearing a case linked to fellow comic Ranveer Allahabadiya over a controversial joke about sex and parenting on his stand-up show India's Got Latent, has now formally added Samay Raina to those proceedings. A visibly concerned bench, led by Justice Surya Kant, said, and I quote, "We are really disturbed by the allegations. We place such instances on record, implead the concerned persons, suggest measures. Then we will see." End quote. The intervention followed an application by the Cure SMA Foundation of India, which brought the court's attention not just to Raina's remarks, but also to the larger issue of how rare, expensive drugs like Zolgensma, a one-time gene therapy costing 16 crore rupees, remain out of reach for most Indian families. The foundation explained that for children diagnosed with SMA, crowdsourcing is often the only way to afford life saving treatment. In that light, any jokes mocking such desperate fundraising efforts, they said, were both insensitive and damaging. One of the key demands in the petition is for the center to create a regulatory framework to curb derogatory, denigrating, ableist, or belittling content, whether produced by mainstream media, online creators, or social media influencers. According to the foundation, the law must enforce the highest degree of sensitivity and compassion when dealing with individuals who suffer from such debilitating conditions. They singled out Raina's stand-up segment where he jokes about a case involving a baby in need of an injection worth 16 crore rupees as a serious example of his lack of empathy. The petitioner described these statements as part of numerous instances on social media where persons with disabilities are reduced to objects of derision, pity, or entertainment. They argue that free speech cannot be used as a shield for offensive content and that satire should not be an excuse to speak loosely on such serious issues. As outrage grows, the Supreme Court's sharp intervention could set a precedent in defining boundaries for comedy, especially when it comes to disability, rare diseases, and life saving treatments. This is a developing story. Stay tuned.